These are the 2026 predictions. What to expect. What is 2026 all about? It will be a year of correction. This means people will be forced to adjust. They will be forced to fix things or bring things back into balance after it has gone too far, grown too fast, or become uneven. Let's start with the economy and wealth. What should we expect in 2026? Some markets, investments, or prices that grew too fast in 2025 may slow down. It's natural. So people and businesses may need to review spending, rethink investments, or reduce risk. The correction brings the economy to a more realistic, sustainable level, preventing bigger problems in the future. Let me give an example. A stock or cryptocurrency that skyrocketed last year may drop slightly in 2026. People who are overspending may be forced to save more and spend wisely. In terms of politics and power, leaders and governments may need to correct past mistakes. An example, a decision that was made quickly, like policies or laws, may be reviewed or adjusted. Leaders will be forced to create a more transparent system. Government structures may be adjusted for fairness and balance. By addressing challenges, they will gain experience and credibility. Some leaders may face criticism or unrest as they correct past errors. Some initiatives may pause or be delayed, frustrating citizens or stakeholders. The leaders that resist correction may lose credibility or support. These corrections may expose conflict of interest, corruption, or hidden failures. In terms of relationships, either friendships, romantic partnerships, or family ties, they may slow down or face challenges if they have been neglected or stretched too thin. 2026 will be a time to reflect, communicate, and repair. People will be forced to fix understanding, let go of toxic connections, and strengthen meaningful bonds. This correction will help create more stable relationships that last beyond 2026. An example that I can give, a friendship that was drifting apart may need an honest conversation to either reconnect or completely be let go of. Couples will be forced to address and resolve issues before moving forward. 2026 encourages us to invest in relationships that truly matter and let go of those that do not. Spiritually, life may slow down in some areas, giving people a chance to reflect, either on their mindsets, habits, and goals. This will be a time to release negative patterns, rethink priorities, and realign with your true purpose. 2027 will be a year for bigger opportunities. Hence, this correction is inevitable. To help create inner stability, clarity, and focus for the next years to come, and that starts in 2027. People may be forced to step back from distractions like social media, unhealthy routines, or toxic environments. Journaling, meditation, or spiritual practices may help. So 2026, some people may feel slowed down or restricted. As I have mentioned earlier, there will be temporary market drops or slower income growths, which could stress some people. Odd conflicts or unresolved issues surfacing may cause discomfort before healing, and reflections may bring uncomfortable truths about life choices. However, think of 2026 as a training year financially, socially, politically, and spiritually. It is a groundwork for success, stability, and growth for years ahead. May God richly bless you today, and may He protect you, may He provide for you, and may your day be as blessed as my day. Bye.